stepping into the sun-drenched alleys of Lumora Market. I'm greeted by a swirl of sweet coconut smoke and the fiery hiss of amber root hitting hot stone. At the heart of this vibrant scene stands a low wooden stall named Harbour Moon Diner, where locals queue for a steaming bowl of Solexi Stew, a legendary Lumoran dish blending real and magical ingredients in one unforgettable bite. Lumora is a small tropical island where warm ocean breezes carry the scent of salt and spice. Its climate is humid, with gentle rains nourishing rice paddies along the coast and highland farms shaded by moonlit forests. Generations of islanders have honored the sea's bounty and the forest's secrets in festivals under the full moon. Solexi Stew was born long ago when fishermen found glowing seafoam pearls in giant shellfish and brought them to village healers, who mixed them with ember root, a peppery, smoky tuber, and aromatic lunar leaf that only grows under moonlit skies. I watched Chef Made, a third-generation cook, as she lines up each ingredient on a carved wooden board. First, fresh snapper fillets from the coral reefs arrive on crushed ice, their flesh firm and glistening. She laps them with a pinch of sandstone spice, a powdered mix of dried chilies and glowing red stones ground by hand. Next, she slices amber root into thin coins. Each slice releases warm chili heat and a faint smoky aroma. Then come handfuls of bright green lunar leaf, crisp, minty and slightly sweet, and a bowl of ivory-colored seafoam pearls that look like tiny bubbles. The cooking begins with a sizzle. Marie heats coconut oil until it's then sears the snapper until golden. She scoops in grated amber root and crushed sandstone spice, stirring until the air sparkles with heat. A ladle of thick coconut milk follows, turning the mix creamy white. She tears lunar leaves into ribbons and sprinkles them in, their fragrance rising like a gentle breeze. Finally, she adds seafoam pearls. They bob to the surface and soften in minutes, releasing a salty sweet burst with each bite. A squeeze of local lime and a drizzle of starving honey finish the stew with bright tang and a hint of floral sweetness. I lean over the steaming bowl. The first taste is silky coconut, then a rush of warming spice from the amber root. A snapper flakes melt in my mouth, and every few moments, a seafoam pearl pops with chewy juiciness. Tiny flecks of lunar leaf lift the flavors, while the sandstone spice leaves just enough heat to linger. Each spoonful feels like a story of Lumora itself. Sun and moonlit mystery. Solexi Stew is more than a meal. It's a celebration of island life and magical harvest. As I sip the last spoonful, I promise to return for another bowl. If you ever find yourself under Lumora's bright skies, follow the scent of coconut and spice to Harbour Moon Diner. There, let the soul-warming Solexi Stew show you the heart of this enchanted island.